Welcome. Today we're focusing on a crucial topic: why young people are more at risk of hazards in the workplace and what steps can be taken to keep them safe. Why are young workers more at risk? Lack of experience. Young workers often have little or no prior work experience. This means they might not recognize workplace hazards or know how to avoid them, making them more vulnerable to injuries like burns, cuts, or falls. Overenthusiasm and risk-taking. Eager to learn and impress, young people may take unnecessary risks or skip safety steps, especially when influenced by peers or a desire to fit in. Physical and cognitive development. The body and brain continue to develop into the mid-20s. Young workers may be physically less able to handle certain tasks, and their decision-making skills are still maturing, which can lead to poor judgment around workplace safety. Peer pressure and influence. Young people are more likely to be influenced by coworkers or supervisors, sometimes leading them to take on unsafe tasks or ignore hazards. Lack of confidence. Many young workers may not feel comfortable speaking up about unsafe conditions or asking questions, increasing their risk of accidents. Common hazards young workers face: slips, trips, and falls, injuries from hot or sharp objects, strains from lifting heavy loads, accidents with machinery or vehicles, exposure to noise, chemicals, or extreme temperatures. Precautions: how to protect young workers. Employers and supervisors play a key role in keeping young workers safe. Here's what should be done. Provide suitable work equipment. Ensure all equipment is appropriate for the worker's age and size. Label machinery that young workers are not allowed to operate and provide personal protective equipment that fits properly. Organize work and processes. Assign tasks that match the young worker's abilities and experience. Avoid putting them in high-risk situations without proper support. Health and safety training. Deliver clear, practical training on all hazards and safe work practices. Use language and examples young workers can relate to, and repeat training as needed. Mentoring. Pair young workers with experienced mentors who can guide them, answer questions, and model safe behavior. Supervision. Closely supervise young workers, especially when they're new. Regularly check in, provide feedback, and make sure they understand and follow safety procedures. Limit working hours. Follow legal restrictions on working hours for young people, ensuring they get enough rest and are not scheduled for dangerous shifts. Empowering young workers. Encourage young workers to ask questions and report hazards. Teach them their rights and responsibilities regarding workplace safety. Make sure they know what to do in case of an emergency and who to contact if they feel unsafe.